Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Open Facebook and head straight to Security and log in Settings. Make sure your phone is unlocked and your Authenticator app is installed. This saves time. Tap Use Two-Factor Authentication and choose Authentication app as the method. Facebook may detect your app automatically. If not, select Setup manually. Once you choose Manual Setup, you'll see a QR code and a backup key. Keep the app and this screen visible to complete the link. Now link the accounts. Open your Authenticator app and tap the Add or Scan button. Point the camera at Facebook's QR code. If you can't scan, choose Manual Entry and type the backup key exactly as shown. The app will generate a 6-digit time-based code. Note that codes refresh every 30 seconds, so act quickly. Enter the current code back in Facebook where prompted. This verifies ownership and creates a rolling second factor tied to your phone. Finish by entering the 6-digit code from your Authenticator into Facebook and confirm to enable two-factor authentication. Make sure you save the recovery codes Facebook offers or add a backup phone number. Store those codes offline and secure. If something goes wrong, the first troubleshooting step is to sync your phone's clock with the network time. Authenticator codes depend on accurate time. If that doesn't help, use a recovery code to log in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.